Hello and welcome back to our channel logingiants. Today in this video, you will learn how to deactivate Messenger account. So for deactivating your Messenger account, you first need to deactivate your Facebook account. Start with opening your Facebook application. Onto your profile section, scroll all the way below to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Now here at the search bar, type in Deactivate. Tap on Personal Details. And here tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here tap on Deactivation or Deletion, choose your option and tap Continue. Lastly, enter your password to confirm the deactivation. Once you have deactivated your Facebook account, open your Messenger, tap this 3-bar icon, and tap Settings. Scroll all the way below to see more in Accounts Center. Again scroll below to Personal Details. Here also tap Account Ownership and Control, then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your option and tap Continue. Lastly, enter your password for confirmation of your deactivation and then you're good to go. This is all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel for more.